What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Toro commercial mower, and the problem is the pull rope has broken once before and is about to break again. There seems to be an issue causing the pull rope to continue to break. In this case, the eyelet in the recoil that the rope goes through has seen so much wear that there's a groove in it, and eventually causing premature wear and the rope to fail. To overcome this problem without replacing the recoil, I've decided to clock the recoil so that the rope leaves the eyelet more in the center and not off to the right side. To demonstrate the problem, let's remove the bolts and then clock it in its normal position and show you the wear pattern. Now let's move the recoil in its adjusted position, and now you can see the rope move away from the worn part and hit more in the middle of the eyelet. After clocking the recoil, all I did was drill 4 pilot holes and then use self-tapping screws in the cover. And once that's done, let's go ahead and replace the pull rope, which is actually quite easy on this mower. Take some new rope and put a very large knot at one end of it. Next, remove the remaining rope from the recoil pulley. Once all the rope is pulled out, hold the pulley from spinning out and then pull out the knot at the end and pull out the old rope. And while still holding the pulley from spinning, put the new rope into the hole where the old one was and through the cover and pull it all the way until the knot makes it into the pulley. And finally, release the pulley so that the rope can be wound back into the recoil. And finally, reinstall the recoil back on the engine along with its bolts, and then reinstall the pull handle. The scraping noises you heard at the end was a completely worn out flywheel brake. Commercial mowers like this can last many years and withstand heavy usage, but eventually parts will wear on them. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one guys, and I'll see you in my next video.